Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll dive into the process of cleaning the internal components of your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. This maintenance step is crucial for enhancing performance and avoiding overheating issues. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. If you have a removable battery, take it out to avoid any electrical issues during the cleaning process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You'll notice several screws holding the panel in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the bottom panel using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now that the panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components, including the fans, heat sinks, and RAM. Using the can of compressed air, blow away any dust buildup on the fans and heat sinks. It's crucial to hold the fan blades in place with a finger while you clean them to prevent damage. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so ensure you clean thoroughly. If your laptop is running hot, this step can significantly improve performance. After dusting, take a microfiber cloth to gently wipe down any surfaces, making sure not to touch any sensitive components directly. If you're comfortable doing so, you can reapply thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. This will help maintain optimal heat transfer. Remember to use a small amount, too much can create a mess and be counterproductive. If you feel unsure about tackling this on your own, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can assess your laptop's needs without any pressure. Once you finish cleaning, carefully reattach the bottom panel, ensuring all clips are secure and screws are tightened properly. After everything is in place, you can reinsert the battery and power on your ThinkPad. Check to see how it performs. A good cleaning can make a noticeable difference. If you don't have the tools or time for this task, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, if any additional repairs are needed, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you'll prolong the life of your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and enjoy a smoother computing experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.